As the rest of you enjoy what is the strangest of medieval times experiences you've had,
Let's go, the Green Knight!
glancing upward to the raised ceiling of this dining room area, you watch Vex spiral around on her broom before...
Pull!
As the first chicken goes in the air, she reaches and goes to aim. However, she catches herself, the broom kind of throws her off, and she stops just in time and haphazardly focuses on just the chicken, not realizing where the chicken had now fallen past, releases it. So, Scanlan, as you're watching this chewing, suddenly...
Shit! Scanlan!